Okay, back to the action. We have some technical difficulties at the moment, and Valdez will convert. Okay, back to the action. You are watching ABL against Brazen Pillars. So if you have just tuned in, Brazen Pillars looking for their first win, and down the floor is Santos. Brazen Pillars playing with Santos, Miranda, Ramores, De Villa, and suiting up for Brazen Pillars is Valdez. As for ABL, Andres Bonifacio Lodge, we have Laurel, David, Solde, Otbo at the corner to Laurel. In and out, Otbo with the offensive putback. We are now tied at 6 apiece. Brazen Pillars are undermanned at this point, not playing with Laurente and Reynolds, but they have De Villa here. It bounces off. De Villa able to anticipate the play, challenging the bigger defender to Castillo, and Castillo will make it. Manzon manning the point guard duties. On the run, Castillo and De Villa. Castillo unable to use the board. Otbo counter-attack. Otbo from the elbow, challenged by Castillo. Laurel recovers, stretches for that layup. They will slow things down here for the half-court set for Ramores. Challenging the defense. Takes it by himself. Too strong. Castillo against a bigger David. Otbo to Solde. Solde against Ramores. And with the shooter's bounce for Solde. Solde was the leading scorer during their game against Palos Verdes. During their loss against Team Hawk, Solde wasn't playing. So let's see if he can be a factor here. De Villa goes strong to the hole. And foul will be called against David. That will be first personal foul on David. On the free throw line is ABL up by 2. Laurel will try to challenge the defense. All net for Laurel. Extends the lead to 4. Valdez will let it fly. Offline. Laurel to Otbo, and Otbo with the finish. Stops and pops, Castillo. Laurel at the corner, Otbo will try to launch it. Otbo drains it from the corner pocket. De Villa at the middle. Back to Valdez. Valdez short. Front iron for him. Corrals the rebound. David. Pedal on the metal. Otbo. Laurel. Thought about it. Otbo. Hoists it up. Too strong. Yalong at the middle. Castillo down low. Castillo blocked by Laurel. Substitution wheel in the ball game. Baseline throw in for the Brazen Pillars. They are down by 7, 17 to 10. Fade away for Valdez. On the run, Otbo. Corner pocket, wheel, fresh off the bench, short. Charging his way, but Castillo was there for the cleanup. 12 to 17. 5-point advantage by ABL. Solde will pull the trigger. Put back. Another try for Otbo. "11 minutes remaining here in the first half. Brazen Pillars down by 7 against ABL. Takes it closer. Valdez from the elbow. Too strong. Bounces off. Battle for the loose ball. They tap it away. Solde leading the charge. And he will be fouled by De Villa. Free throws will be rewarded for Solde. And this is the best time for us to promote our YouTube page, So-Called Ballers. So-Called Ballers 21 on YouTube. Nadagdagan na ang ating followers from 23 to 26. So, hopefully madagdagan yan. So, our audience, please make sure to follow our YouTube page, So-Called Ballers 21. Back to the action. Solde makes his first throw. And he makes both free throws. 9-point lead by ABL. Yalong will try to facilitate, organizing the play. Valdez looking at his options. De Villa against his zone defense, hands it up to Valdez. Valdez pump fake, gets his man off the air. Offline for Valdez. Otbo, pedal on the metal, sees Wheel all alone, and Wheel will deliver the goods. 23 to 12 in favor of ABL. He finds, and look at that, Yalong bouncing off David. Siya na yung bumangga, siya pa yung lumipad. Sa sobrang laki ni David, no? Laurel left wide open. It bounces off. Aquino controls the rebound. Valdez waiting for his teammates. They will try to cut down the lead. De Villa to Valdez from the corner. Again with a pump fake. Nothing going on for Valdez at this moment. 2-on-1 situation, Wheel to Otbo, and Otbo unable to convert. Miranda, no fear, and Miranda will knock it down. That will be a 3-point basket for Miranda, cutting the lead down to 8. David bullying his way. Back to a double-digit advantage by ABL. Cruising his way is Valdez to Aquino. And ABL, they have the numbers. But standing his ground, De Villa.
Take one.
Otbo will fire away from beyond the arc. Anticipated by Otbo with a floater substitution. Substitution for ABL. Alright, back to the action. It's 7 minutes and 14 remaining here. ABL up by 10, 25 to 15. And Wheel unable to complete that play. Aquino against Manzon with a spin move from Yalo. Crossover. Back to Laurel. Laurel against Yalo. Exploding to the basket. Laurel will not be denied. 27 to 15. Brazen Pillars trailing by 12 again. Challenging the double team. De Villa unable to make it. Hesitation for Laurel, and Laurel weaving his way, making it a 14-point advantage. ABL 29, Brazen Pillars 15. Valdez directing traffic, setting up the play. Cross court to De Villa. De Villa, no opening for him. Valdez with the hand on his face, and Valdez all net. Will try to answer right back for David. Short, however. They will try to make it a single-digit game here in the first half. Crossover, Valdez. No fear. However, that was too strong. 3-on-1 situation. Laurel, David, and Davis. Taking it strong to the hole. Laurel will get a foul against Yalo. ABL looking for their third win in this tournament. Back in the ballgame is Solde. With 4 minutes and 34 remaining here in the first half. Remember, this is running time. The only time that we will stop the clock is 1 minute in the second half. Left wide open, Davis. Front iron against two defenders. Nothing going on for De Villa. Too strong for Wheel on the other end. Miranda to Aquino. Aquino forcing the issue. Laurel, they got numbers. 4-on-1 situation. Laurel to Wheel, and Wheel will convert. Kuya will. Season opening for De Villa. Good intentions, however, unable to convert. Between the legs, showing us his smooth operating dribble. Laurel put that in the highlight reel. Look at that move from Laurel. Great control of the ball. Able to stop and pop. Miranda. Way off the mark. Our score is 35-18 with 2 minutes and 55 remaining here in the first half. Pretty much one-sided ball game. ABL in control. Davis left wide open again. Another chance for him. This time it will go to the other side. Grayson Pillars is just undermanned at this point. It's going to be timeout. For timeout by Brazen Pillars.
Coordinated by number 31. Coordinated by tago pa ako sa picture.
Back to the action. If you have just tuned in, ABL up 35-18. You are watching the Interlodge basketball presented by the so-called Ballers. I'm your host for this day, the one and only Ludwig Van Magic Man, and we are here in Pasadena for our 4-game headliner as we start the continuation of the first half. Let's see what Brazen Pillars will do here. They're down by 13, or rather 35-18. Valdez short. Solde ahead of the pack. And Solde again doing some damage here, extending that lead 37-18 with under 2 minutes, almost 2 minutes left. Baseline throw in. Remember, this is running time, so it only stops in the second half with under 1 minute. On the cut. Too strong miscommunication. Solde again, back-to-back hits for Solde. Now they are up by a 21-point lead, 39-18. It bounces off back iron. Manzon throws it to Solde again. The two-man game. Manzon to Solde. Reminds me of that Stockton Malone, no? Sa mga tito dyan. Stockton to Malone. Miranda finally able to knock it down. Valdez to Miranda, will try to hit it back to back. This time he checked for him. Miranda against Solde, trying to escape the clutches of the defense. Manzon at the middle, crossover. Remember, this is running time.
Yeah, you good? Let's stop time on it. Go. Nice shot.
8 seconds remaining. Last shot for ABL. David will be bothered by Ramores. Converts. And that's the end of the first half. ABL 45, Brazen Pillars 18. We'll be right back for the second half action.